Hi, I'm Steve Sherman. Today I'm going to show you how you can load tools into your spindle and then into the tool changer for running your jobs. So from your main screen, currently I have tool 4 in the spindle and I'm going to load tools 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to go to MDI and enter which tool I want to load. So I'm going to enter T1 for tool number 1 and then M6 for the tool change command, and then hit F5 run and cycle start. That'll put tool 4 away. It'll bring up tool 1, which right now is an empty pocket. So this 1/2-inch end mill is going to be my tool number 1. So now that the control has tool number 1 in the spindle, I'm going to open the door and load tool number 1. And you want to make sure when you load the tool into the spindle, the deep cut of the tool holder goes to the angled key on the spindle. So I'm going to press the tool out button, put my tool in the right way, then release the button. Now the tool's clamped. Shut the door. And now I want to do a tool change to tool number 2. So T2, M6, F5 run, and cycle start. That'll put tool number 1 away and load tool number 2. And tool number 2 is going to be this 1/4-inch end mill. So now tool 2 is in the spindle. The spindle is currently empty until I load this tool. So again, open the door. Make sure you have the deep cut on the tool holder to the angled key. And press the tool out button. Load the tool, then release the tool out button. And now I want to load tool number 3. So T3, M6, F5 run, and cycle start. Tool number 3 is going to be this chamfer tool. The tool changer put tool number 2 away. Now 3 is in the spindle. So I'm going to load tool number 3. And again, the same way on this tool. Now tools 1, 2, and 3 are loaded in the spindle, and we can go through the tool touch-off process in the next video.